Sounds good. So the last excerpt is much more around how the conversation with business leaders would go. I've written some on the quantum workforce, and I've certainly seen some good work out there. But this excerpt is about putting quantum to work. Try explaining to the CEO of a medium-sized business that you want him or her to invest in a technology based on the action and nature of energy and matter at the atomic and subatomic levels. Imagine the reaction. More likely, the sales pitch will be, what if we could conduct the same analysis on our most complex business problems in days or weeks instead of years, or seconds instead of days, with high accuracy and fidelity? Now they're listening. Sure, there's a few caveats to those pronouncements, but those details will get worked out, right? Just 5 years ago, I was having the same conversation with business leaders about artificial intelligence. What's inside the black box, they would ask. Why should I trust an unproven technology? Won't all of our best people worry they'll be replaced by robots or computers linked to the cloud? The Quantum for Business 2020 conference in December reinforced for me the growing world of quantum computing applications to business. It confirmed my way of thinking about how I would convey the realities and complexities of quantum computing in a way that made sense to business people. That not only were governments investing in quantum efforts, but so too was the corporate world. My goal in this book is to leverage that experience, sharing the fundamental physics that makes quantum computing powerful and an interesting topic to study, as well as its relationship to business success in the future. The book is intended for business and information technology leaders and participants who want to understand how this new incredible technology is expected to impact their department, company, industry, strategic choices, and future. So how many people in the world actually know quantum computing? Let's start with a subject much older, calculus. The total number of titles on Amazon, which by the way owns over 80% of the publishing market, is 57 million topics. Of those, there are only 60,000 titles associated with calculus, or about 0.1%. Quantum computing has just 2,000 titles on Amazon, and 1/10 of the searches for calculus on Google. So simply based on the number of titles and searches, the relative population learning about quantum computing today remains a minuscule fraction of the world. Today's written word covering quantum computing speaks most often to the underlying quantum mechanics, the physics, the algorithm development, and the hardware. Yet little has been written about businesses and how they can leverage such a futuristic advanced technology in real business applications. My goal is to inspire the reader to look outside their industry and IT departments and focus to gain at least a surface understanding of quantum computing and some of the applications in the current day use and the possible opportunities for the future.